Amazon rainforest fire, an incendiary topic that garnered attention of almost whole world. We since 2019 saw worst fires to hit the Amazon basin. As we all know, the Amazon basin is the mightiest rainforest on earth. It covers almost 40% of the South American continent, which harbors several vegetation and ecosystems. The Amazon rainforest in particular is known as the lungs of the earth because it not only sucks up a major proportion of global emission of CO2 but also produces about 20% of oxygen. You all be amazed to know that about 16,000 vegetation species thrive in Amazon rainforest, which are about one-tenth of known species in the whole world. You can have an idea of its immensity by the fact that it is larger than the next two rainforests combined. Such a rapid rate at which Amazon was burning is not seen in history since a decade. This is a thematic picture of location of fires captured by NASA's MODI satellite. Now comes on main concern of this. What caused this? Was it natural or intentionally caused? Generally in months of summer, due to lightning strikes or friction among fluttering trees, wildfire occurs. But this time things were different. It was believed to be started by farmers and loggers of nearby areas. This is more worse than if it have caused naturally, because deforestation is a major problem than forest fire. Gradually in just a month, the figure had almost tripled to more than 46,000 fires. As consistently fires flared up all around the edges of rainforest, a huge cloud of smoke started pouring into atmosphere. It was detected that many fires were lit by farmers of nearby tribal areas. Here are some human interventions which in some way may be taken as a cause for this. Farming in jungle. In Amazon region, since tribal people mainly dependent on cattle farming, so they are driven to continuously clear forest illegally. Road choked streams. It's again a human intervention in natural flow of stream. This not only aids shore erosion but also degrade water quality which directly hurts fishes. These chopping in streams also put barriers to movement for fishes. Now some other natural reasons which may be responsible for this. High temperature in atmosphere is a reason for mostly wildfires. Again, climate change is an instance of global warming which is also a major cause of forest fires. So now comes the question, are humans responsible for this? As per experts, 90% of forest fire are human generated, be it by accident or intentionally. Slash and burn farming. It is very common practice which is done in forest tribal areas to convert forest to farmland. But it puts forest in danger of forest fire because the trees which previously acting as a canopy for sunlight are no more. So sunlight directly heats the floor, which in result can cause a forest fire. In same way like a slash and burn farming, timber mafias, though for money, deforest the land and which also responsible for forest fire. Do you have any idea how big was the fire? You can estimate from this image of northernmost state of Roraima, which is completely covered with smoke, and an emergency was declared in southern part of the state. Mato Grosso and Para, two states of Brazil where agriculture frontier was pushed into the Amazon basin, due to which wildfire increased there and foment deforestation. Wildfire was so intense that in spite of being 1,000 miles away, the city Sao Paulo loomed up with smoke. It is an image taken up by the NASA's Suomi NVP satellite, which is showing smoke spread over Brazilian states. There are numerous bad effects that Amazon fire led to environment. Air quality was affected badly due to Amazon fire, and if it continues, global warming will be increasing at nimble rate. Due to burning of green trees, there is less rainfall, which is directly impact the overall rainfall patterns. In wildfires, many herb species are destroyed, which may be of some medicinal use. Also, when there is wildfire or deforestation, the species of organisms which have lost habitat and some of them may be harmful can spread toxic bacteria or viruses. Wildfires, of course, affects biodiversity badly. Every animal living in forest suffers directly or indirectly by wildfires. Forest fire destroys habitats of wild animals. Also, organic matter present on top of soil in a forest is burnt in fire, which is a vital home for small invertebrates. Even aquatic ecosystem is affected a lot, as the runoff from fires directly pollute aquatic environment. So ultimately wildfires affect both wildlife and atmosphere directly, and which in turn affect human sustenance. Thank you.